Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirsten and this is Small Bobbins. So today I'm just going to do another quick tutorial about how to sew enclosed seams. And so if you caught any of my previous series, you might have seen this sort of tutorial already, but since it's pretty buried in some long videos, I figured I'd just do a quick little run through. And so here I've got a triangle bralette pattern that I'm working on, and I've got both the kind of lace top fabric and also the stretch tulle lining for the center front piece and the side front piece. And so what I'm going to do is I'm looking to get a kind of nicely enclosed seam on the inside. Since we're dealing with both the self fabric and the lining fabric, I'd rather just have all of the seams kind of nicely enclosed inside, so there are no scratchy edges rubbing up against your skin. It also really looks neater that way on the inside as well, and it's really not difficult to do. So what I like to do is kind of start from the center and work my way out. I mean, it's going to be easy with this pattern since it's only a two-piece cup, but if you do have a bralette pattern, for example, where the center front pieces connect with each other, you might want to start with sewing those together first and kind of work your way around from there. So the basic premise with sewing enclosed seams, we have 4 layers here. So you can see the lining is light blue, the lace is black, and I'm going to use contrasting thread so that it's easy to see. And so I'm going to take my center front 2 pieces and I'm going to just treat them like one single piece. And then with the other 2 pieces, I'm going to flip my top piece of fabric over. So now the lace pieces are right sides together. And then I'm also going to flip my lining over, and I'm going to put that underneath the 2 pieces. You could think of it this way. The side front pieces are right sides together, and then that center front piece is just kind of sandwiched between them. And then all you need to do from there is match up all the seams, and then just sew that with your needed seam allowance. Okay, so I've got those all pinned together, and in this case it's going to depend on, what the direction of the seam is and kind of what kind of garment you're making, but in this case, since this is a vertical seam that doesn't really need to stretch, I'm just going to use a regular straight stitch to sew this up. Okay, so I've got my seam on the back here. You can see I did it in red. And when I flip out the 2 pieces, so now I've got a perfectly enclosed seam, and on the inside it's all tucked in there between the lining and the lace. So it looks nice and it feels nice and it's easy to do. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. And don't forget, if you're interested in making lingerie for yourself, you can find a lot of lingerie making supplies at my shop. It's smallbobbins.com, and I've got lingerie kits as well to make it easy for you. I also have lots of other tips on my blog, just smallbobbins.com/blog. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!